And well, another video has been accessed by CNN News 18. This video demonstrates how water started entering the coaching center, the basement of the coaching institute. The flooding, in fact, was a result of the breakage of gates of the institute, and water started to then enter the basement. So this is, one of the moments of when the flooding actually started to take place inside of this coaching institute, and that video has now been accessed by CNN News 18, and you can clearly see there from across the road this video has been shot, and it's very clear how the water can be seen entering the gates of this coaching institute. It's the manner in which the basement got flooded, how the biometric system failed given an outage in power is what led to the loss of 3 lives. But let me quickly go across to Anshul, who joins us with more details as far as this latest CCTV, or rather this video, is concerned. We've accessed this video, seems to have been shot from across the road, but tell us what this tells us, Anshul, essentially.
Well, this initially establishes the fact that there was massive water logging on the spot when the time this incident had happened. You can see the level of water. It is at least 3.5 feet of water that had collected over there, and in that water that had collected, there is a vehicle that moves through that water at a speed, which meant that water eventually got displaced, and then due to that displacement of water, the gates of the institute broke, and eventually the water from the road started to enter inside the institute, and that is the reason why in approximately 15 minutes more than 12 feet of water had collected at the basement of the Rouse IAS Academy. Now, there are several lapses in this entire video that we are seeing at this point in time as well. The first actually proves the fact that the desilting work was not done. All the drains were actually blocked, due to which this water logging had happened. Apart from this, another very important thing is that even with so much water that had gathered over there, there were not enough police officials manning that entire position, which eventually meant that they should not have allowed, ideally, for that vehicle to cross through that water. So definitely a lot of lapses can be seen. It remains to be seen if at all any sort of punitive action will be taken against the lapses that are coming to the fore.
Anshul, many thanks for joining us with all those details. We will keep piecing the entire story together for our viewers tuned in. For now, it's time for us to head into a very short break. Lots of news and updates lined up on the other side. We'll be right back.
Thank you for watching CNBC TV 18. For all the latest news and updates, do follow us on our social media platforms.